Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I am so stoked for today's video. I'm gonna be playing with the new Nomad Cosmetics Ireland Wild Atlantic Way palette. This is their newest release and I'm so pumped. Thank you Nomad for sending me this palette early so I could play with it. This video is not sponsored. I'm making it on my own free will, but they did send it to me and I'm so grateful. In this video, I'm gonna be doing swatches. I'll be doing 2 looks, all that fun stuff. I do intend on doing an additional look over on like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, if you wanna see some more inspo, so just stay tuned for that. This palette is launching on Tuesday, March 12th around 12:01 a.m. EST. I will have the launch details in my description box in case you need to reference them, and I do also have an affiliate code with the brand. My code battybean will save you money on their site, and I appreciate it so much if you use it. But yeah, without further ado, I really don't want to babble too much longer. I just want to get into showing you this palette and playing with it and showing you the looks and all that fun stuff. I will give you my final thoughts so far at the end of the video, but I will say, so far, I'm feeling really good about it. I'm super into this color story. I will also be giving my accessory details before each individual look, so we'll get to that when we get to that. But in the meantime, let's chat about the palette. The Ireland palette, it's so cute. We have kind of a fuzzy, velvety kind of texture on it. It's really pretty, and I'm just so pumped. And then on the inside, we have 18 beautiful shades. We have a mixture of really pretty, shiny, metallic shimmer things, and also a lot of lovely mattes. I really like, obviously, how green focused it is. I like how we have so many different undertones of green, but then we have those pops of gold. I love those pops of like rusty orange, the blues over here. There's a lot of really fun things happening. I love the focus around emerald green. It's just so pretty. There is so much I feel like you could do with this palette. It's bright, but it also has depth to it. You could even go a little more neutral leaning if super colorful isn't your vibe. Like we have those rusty muted oranges, the golds, we have like a champagne. There's some other fun things you can play with and kind of mix and match. I'm feeling really good about it so far. At this moment, I've only filmed look number 1, but I'm really excited to just dive in some more, do look number 2, do that 3rd look for Instagram and YouTube Shorts and stuff. There's just so many options. My brain is swirling with ideas and I can't wait to share them with you. So let's just go ahead and hop into look number 1. Hello. You know, I can do everything right 100 times and then that 101st time, I forget to turn my microphone on. So I finished the look and I love it that much that I wiped it off so I can do it again for you. Because I just love it and I want you to love it too. So let's do it again together. Before we do, my earrings are from Spooky Doodle Club and this necklace is from Shop Sun & Co. So let me grab my eye primer again, since I need to do it again. I feel like this is just also what happens when you think you had a little extra time in your day. No, you don't, because you're doing this twice. Priming with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, of course. So diving into the Ireland palette, I'm starting with this shade here, Wild Atlantic Way. I'm just taking a fluffy Kaleidos brush and I'm just going to lightly start fluffing this inner to outer corner. I'm keeping it fairly tight to my crease because as you can see, I didn't blow it out like all the way. I wanted the focus of this smoky emerald vibe to be pretty tight. So I'm just kind of getting a base laid down to let everything else blend into it. And I'm gonna tuck that on that lower lash line as well. And next, I'm taking Emerald Isle. Beautiful. That's honestly the shade that like drew me to this palette. When I first opened it, I just think it's so pretty. I'm taking another little Kaleidos brush and I'm just going to kind of pop this on a good portion of my lid. And I'm gonna scoot this kind of through my crease. Again, keeping it fairly tight. I'm not gonna blow this out very far. Keeping it all pretty close. That color is just so pretty. What a gorgeous shade. I feel like rich emerald shades like this don't come out very often. It's just so pretty. And of course, gonna pop that on the lower lash line. Can't forget that. I might have some residual mascara on this eye because I already did this once today, and that's fine. It's all good. Good thing I like the look. And of course, just gonna take a second to blend that out with that first shade again, just to make sure everything is blending. Gotta make sure the blend is blending, you know? And now I wanna take that really dark emerald shade. And I'm actually just gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna load that Kaleidos brush up with that shade. I wiped it off first. And I'm just kind of filling in the remaining bottom of my lid here. Not really doing anything crazy. I just wanted to add a little bit more depth. I feel like having this base layer when I layer the shimmer over it just really pulls everything together. I think it's really pretty. Just again, tucking that under that lower lash line. And I'm just gonna do one more round of that blend just to make sure everything is flowing together nicely. This is looking so cute, just like it did the first time. And now I'm actually not gonna use glitter primer because I wanted to use this shadow kind of more as like a topper rather than like a thick opaque layer. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm taking the Shimmer Emerald, and I love this shade. Like, look how pretty that is. I have eyeshadow all over me. What a mess. And I'm just going to just kind of tippy tap this across what I just did. Just a nice little topper. It just adds such a gleam, such a glow. It's so pretty. I love the sparkle that's in that. I feel like it tops over everything so beautifully. Gorgeous. Like, it was really pretty as a matte look, but that shimmer just takes it up another notch. And now I'm gonna highlight with this Malin Head shade right here. I don't know why, I've just been kind of into like a matte inner corner lately. It's just pretty. I don't know how to explain it. I've been such a shimmer inner corner person, but I don't know, lately I've been enjoying like a matte color. There's just something about it. It adds a fun little brightness. I really like this pale yellow. It's really cute. But I do want to add a little bit more glitz and glam, so I'm going to take that champagne-y shimmer. I'm just taking any old pencil brush. This is a Colourpop one. And kind of just like right here in the front, I just want to add a little bit of glitz, kind of connecting that inner corner with the rest of the lower lash line. I just think that's a really good combo. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of finish up now. Gonna reapply my mascara and eyeliner to this one eyeball and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, take two, all complete, and I honestly have no regrets about doing it again because it really is just so pretty. I love the way it looks with my eye color. It's really matching my fade in my hair right now. Overall, I love this. Obviously, I went for no lashes. Thank goodness I didn't have to do lashes twice. I opted for mascara originally, and I'm so glad I did. The eye pencil I'm wearing is Limelight from Kaleidos. I just felt like that kind of blue-green multi-chrome fit the vibe really nicely. And then my lip combo today is mostly Fiery Lip Pencil from Unearthly. It's kind of covering the majority of my lips. I just felt like the orange kind of matched my orange blush. And then I went with the Cookie Dough lip oil from Milk Makeup over top of it. It's basically clear, but it smells like vanilla, which is delightful. So yeah, this is look number one. I really hope you like it. I really hope you really like it since I did it twice, but I personally love it. I think it's so pretty. I love that emerald. Cute. Let's move on now to look number two. All right, today I made sure to double check that the mic is on and going. So no more redos. We're gonna get into look number two. These earrings are Spooky Doodle Club, and I think I'm just wearing the same necklace as yesterday, which I think is from, again, Shop Sun & Co. So yeah, let's dive into look number two. I wanna do something with those oranges really, really badly with still a pop of green, I think, in the front. I think it's gonna be cute, so I'm gonna prime. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Eye Primer. I want to visit Ireland so bad. I just think it looks so pretty, and this palette is making me crave it even more. Eventually I will start traveling overseas. It's just not the time yet for me in my life, but one day, and Ireland is definitely somewhere I would love to visit. I just hear it's so incredibly beautiful. So I actually want to start with this kind of like yellowy shade right here. I'm going to use this Lethal Cosmetics blending brush, the 200. And I'm just gonna start kind of fluffing this all around the outside of my eye because this is where a lot of that orange is gonna be. I want, like, not really a halo, I guess kind of in the sense that it's gonna be like a lot of orange here and then a lot of green here and then a color in the middle. But it's more so just gonna be a really like smoky orange with a pop of green. So I wanna lay this down so the orange has something to blend into really nicely. It's kind of an interesting color. See, I don't need a beige. Give me like lighter tones of colors. I don't want just a beige. This is great. This is a Betty Jean version of a beige. All right, so let's start playing with that burnt orange. I'm just gonna use this dual-ended Sigma brush. I'm gonna use the E38 Blendy side, and I'm just gonna start kind of lightly fluffing this all up in the outer half of my eye. Obviously more focused in the crease, but lid's fine too. I'm gonna have a shimmer orange over the lid anyways, but I just want kind of a blendy, blown out orange kind of moment. I think it's gonna be very, very cute. I'm gonna take that same Lethal brush again, and I'm kind of gonna dip in between the two shades I just used and just do kind of one more swirl along this outer corner. I really like how just blown out and diffused this is looking. That's really, really pretty. And I think the pop of green is gonna be a really, really fun addition to the overall look once I get there. Which is gonna be now. I wanna take this green down here. I'm just gonna use this MOTD Cosmetics brush, and I'm just gonna lightly start swirling this in the front little pocket of my crease. And just kind of get that nice and blown out and kind of spread around, blending toward that orange. You do have to be a little bit careful. Orange and green are fairly apart on the color wheel. They're not completely opposites, but they are fairly spread. So if you're not careful, you can kind of muddy out, but thankfully it's kind of more of a burnt orange anyways. It's not like a bright, vibrant orange, so I'm not trying to keep like bright intensities going on. I think I want to use the Wild Rover shade just to blend it out a smidgen more. Just add a little bit of dimension in there. I really like that pop of green. I think that's cute. All right, it's looking cute. I want to take my NYX Glitter Primer now before I go in with the orange shimmer. Just gonna grab a little bloop of that on my finger, and I'm going to just tippy tap that across my lid. I'm not doing anything cut creasy. I just want the orange shimmer just really blown out and blended into my crease colors. I think it's gonna be really, really cool. All right, taking that shimmery burnt orange. Ooh, that's pretty. And that is just gonna go all across the lid, because I really do want that green in the front to just remain just a pop of green. I don't want it to be anything crazy. Ooh. That's really, really pretty. Look how metallic that is. Wowza, that's gorgeous. Now, obviously just gonna make sure those edges are blended by just grabbing my previous blending brushes. Really, really like that. That's so shiny. How beautiful. I kind of want to try the Wild Atlantic Way as the inner corner, because like I mentioned in look number 1, I'm just kind of feeling a matte inner corner. So let's try this out and see how it goes. I do think I want a little bit of green shimmer on that lower lash line though, just to kind of finish everything off. Yeah, I like that, but I do just want to add this beautiful shimmer green, just a little pop on that lower lash line. This is a Spectrum pencil brush. And I'm just going to tippy tap that kind of in that front little pocket of that lower lash line. That is so pretty, and I feel like it has little flecks of gold in it, so it kind of ties all that warmth together too. I really like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish this up. I'm going to either do just mascara, maybe lashes. I don't know if I'm feeling lashes today either. My eye pencil, something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. All right, here's the final look. I really like this. I like the bold, just orange with the pop of green. It's just a fun way to sort of combine those two energies that are in this palette, and I like how it ended up going. Obviously, I went for just mascara today. The eye pencil I used is Groundbreaker from Colourpop, just kind of a metallic warm brown. And then my lip combo is a lot of the number 5 pencil from Freck with a little bit of this old, probably discontinued Peanut Butterbuster lipstick from Bakerie. And I love it. I love this look a lot. So let's zoom out and I'll give you my thoughts so far on the palette. Thank you so much for watching my video playing with the new Nomad Cosmetics Ireland palette. I had a lot of fun creating these looks and I'm really excited to create my third look. I do think for the third look, I'm going to be kind of playing with a lot of like the blue, the gold, probably still mixing in a little bit of green because you can't not with this palette. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, if that video is not already up, it'll be coming very soon to like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, all that stuff. But so far I'm feeling very happy. Which look was your favorite? Do you like this kind of combo orange green? Did you like just the smoky emerald look? I think I might still give it to look number 1, but I am feeling really, really good about this one. I just love the pop of orange, especially with like the orangey lip, the orange blush. I think the pop of green is just really, really cool in contrast. I really like it. But I've been having a really good time. I've used quite a few of these mattes. I feel like I've used pretty much all of them at this point. I just don't think I've used like this green. Did I use that green? Maybe I did use that green actually. I don't remember. I've used a variety of the mattes, most of them at this point, and I've used quite a bit of the shimmers as well. I'm feeling just very impressed. I love Nomad's quality. I'll always say it. I feel like their shadows are very beginner friendly in the sense that you can't really overdo it too much from the get-go. Like they build up really easily, but you also get really good pigmentation. So they're very soft. They're not gonna get super patchy on you in my experience. I just think they're such a treat to work with, and their shimmers are so pretty. I just can't get over how glossy and metallic my lids look. It's so, so beautiful, but I'm feeling good about this. I'm excited to continue playing with it. I can see this one staying a top favorite from the brand for me. I just love these colors. Swampy green goodness. I just love everything about it. Again, this is launching on Tuesday, March 12th around 12:01 a.m. EST, and you can use my affiliate code battybean to save. I'll have the launch details in my description box if you need to reference them. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some emojis that make you think of Ireland, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot, and if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm battybean there as well. You can also subscribe. I'm posting most days over here. You can also join my channel memberships. The link to sign up will be down below. You'll get fun little perks, including a members only video once a month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.